What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we're going to look at this Hottoerak red light therapy torch. So as you can see, basically come in this pouch right here, which I basically love the packaging and how it basically packaged quite neat. Just gonna open it right now. So inside the package right here we have the user manual, we have a USB cable, which is USB to Type-C cable. Also we have a glass right here, which is pretty neat. This is a battery that comes also inside the package, and now we have the device right here itself, which is the Hottoerak torch, looking pretty neat. As you can see, there's a light panel right here. Also we can put the battery inside right here, and also we have a USB connection right here that can basically charge it. We have a button right here as well, which is looking pretty neat. This part right here is bendable. We can basically bend it to our liking anywhere we want it. I'm gonna try to screw this on. Alright guys, how this basically works is that when you turn on this right here, it will be 100% bright. Once you press the button right here, for example, press like this, it's on its brightest. When you press it, it will be 75, 50, then it's off. That's how it works. So this basically red therapy light has a wide variety of application, which basically is some health benefit that you can get from this right here. So it can help athletes recover from injuries. So you know, those doctors use or the muscles use red therapy light to basically heal your skin from any injuries and so forth. So this is basically, so it basically decrease inflammation, relieve pain, repair cells and heals wounds. So this is one of the greatest choice that you can use if you want to use any of those on your skin to release those pain, especially if you're athletes and those excessive activity. This guys is one of the great choice that you can use. So this is the Hottoerak red LED therapy light, as you can see right here. Thank you guys for watching.